Make it so simple. In fact, one time I heard it put, make it so simple that like a sixth grader or a fifth grader could understand, right? It should be that easy. So I've got a little bit of a formula, right? That you can think through, right? As you're really clarifying and making your message simple. Step number one is identify the problem. Okay. So clearly state the problem that your product or service solves. Keep it relatable, easy to understand. Okay. And I'm going to give you an example in just a minute. So start there. Okay. So clearly state the problem that you're going to solve. The solution, right? That's step two, is explain how your product or service solves the problem. Okay. Highlight key features or unique things that make you different, right? Keep it nice and simple. And then the third part is the benefits. Okay. So explain the benefits that your customer and your clients will experience. Will they save time? Will they save money? Will it improve their life? Paint a clear picture of the positive results, right?